Imagine waking up at 10 a.m. Your mind is already racing with the tasks that you have to complete that day and burdened by the guilt of oversleeping. You want to get started immediately, but a notification pops up on your phone, and before you know it, you've already opened Instagram. Does that sound like you? If you're tired of this frustrating cycle, don't worry because in today's video, we are going to understand the root cause of procrastination and find some simple fixes to overcome it. Most of the times, we're not just avoiding the task, but we're avoiding the emotions that come along with it. Sometimes the task itself might be boring, or maybe it's your mind telling you that what if I mess this up? What if I do it wrong? What if I fail? And because of this, it finds an escape, and that's how you end up doom scrolling. Another big reason is not knowing where to start. Without having a clear and actionable plan, your brain starts tricking you into thinking that it's too difficult and you start avoiding it altogether. Our brain loves quick rewards. Studying for hours might help for an upcoming test, but playing video games, that seems fun right now, doesn't it? And that's how you end up glued up to the screen for hours and hours. And at the end of the day, you wonder, I haven't studied anything whole day. Okay, but how do I overcome it? It's actually very simple. You just have to break down the difficult tasks into smaller chunks. For example, whenever I have to post a video on YouTube, I always assign each task to a day, such as scripting, recording, and editing. This makes the work less overwhelming and easier to do. Reward yourself. Once you pair a boring task with something exciting, the work starts to feel more appealing to do. For example, having a favorite snack after a focus session, or maybe just listening to music, or doing whatever you like. Face the feeling. Ask yourself why you don't want to do it right now. Name the feeling, whether it's anxiety, boredom, or something else, and write it down on a piece of paper to clear your head. Once you identify the emotion, you will be able to break the loop and think more logically. And I think it's time you stop chasing perfectionism. Allow yourself to make mistakes. Create something, even if it's messy, you can fix it later. Edits can turn messy into great, but you can't edit nothing. Alright, that's it. Now just go and pick any one of these tips and get started right away. Because I believe that small starts lead to big progress. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you want more of such videos, hit subscribe, and please be sure to share this with your friends. This is Ruika signing off from Studyverse.